If your doctor thinks you might have multiple sclerosis, you may be referred to a neurologist who will be trained to diagnose and treat conditions of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The neurologist will perform a neurological exam to check how well your central nervous system is working. The central nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and optic nerves. This system manages everything we do, including our thoughts and movements. In MS, the protective coating around your nerves, called myelin, gets damaged. This makes it harder for nerve cells to send messages, which can lead to symptoms like vision issues, muscle weakness, numbness, and tingling. During the exam, the neurologist will assess your medical history, including any previous neurological symptoms that may be relevant. They'll also do some physical tests to check for any changes in your vision, speech, reflexes, balance, coordination, and muscle strength. The exam helps the neurologist figure out what might be causing your symptoms and decide which tests to do next. Further testing is necessary to rule out other conditions that seem like MS but require different treatment. While the neurological exam alone cannot confirm MS, it is an important first step towards diagnosis and finding the answers you need.